Maintenance window allows you to suppress alert notifications within a specified time period. It avoids unnecessary notifications when you are doing your routine maintenance or if there are any known issues. To create one, go to Settings, click on Maintenance Windows, and click on the button Create. Provide a name and a description for your maintenance window. Select an entity type. Define the scope of that entity, whether you want it for all or selected ones. You can add additional entities by clicking the Add button. Specify the duration of the maintenance window by defining the from and to range. If needed, you can also choose the frequency to repeat this window. Click Next and it provides a summary of the maintenance window you just specified. Click on Create to create the window.